Coaxiality is a critical service performed in the manufacturing industry that ensures the accuracy and precision of mechanical components. It refers to the alignment of two or more cylindrical surfaces along a common axis. In other words, it measures the degree to which the center lines of two or more cylindrical surfaces are aligned. Coaxiality is essential in the manufacturing of high-precision components such as gears, bearings, and shafts, where even a slight deviation from the required specifications can result in significant performance issues. The process of coaxiality involves the use of specialized equipment such as coordinate measuring machines, CMMs, and laser alignment systems. These tools measure the distance between the center lines of the cylindrical surfaces and compare them to the required specifications. If the deviation is within the acceptable range, the components are deemed to be coaxial. If not, adjustments are made to bring them into alignment. Coaxiality is a critical service for manufacturing companies that require high-precision components. It ensures that the components meet the required specifications and perform as intended. Without coaxiality, the performance of mechanical components can be compromised, leading to issues such as increased wear and tear, reduced efficiency, and even failure. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of high-precision components for various industries, including aerospace, defense, and medical. As a company that values quality and precision, Berkness Company understands the importance of coaxiality in the manufacturing process. They have invested in state-of-the-art equipment and trained personnel to ensure that their components meet the highest standards of accuracy and precision. If you are interested in learning more about coaxiality and how it relates to the manufacturing industry, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting their Contact Us page on their website. Their team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with more information about their services. With their commitment to quality and precision, you can trust Berkness Company to deliver high-quality components that meet your exact specifications. FAQs. 1. What is coaxiality in manufacturing? Coaxiality is a term used in manufacturing to describe the degree to which two or more cylindrical surfaces are aligned with each other. It is a measure of how well the center lines of these surfaces coincide with each other. 2. Why is coaxiality important in manufacturing? Coaxiality is important in manufacturing because it affects the performance and reliability of many mechanical components. For example, if the shaft and bore of a bearing are not coaxial, it can cause excessive wear and premature failure. Similarly, if the center lines of two gears are not aligned, it can cause noise, vibration, and reduced efficiency. 3. How is coaxiality measured in manufacturing? Coaxiality is typically measured using specialized equipment such as a coordinate measuring machine, CMM, or a laser alignment system. These tools can accurately measure the position and orientation of cylindrical surfaces relative to each other, allowing manufacturers to ensure that their components meet the required specifications for coaxiality. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.